Welcome back to CET Color's instructional web series on large format digital UV printers. Today, we're going to walk you through how to properly install the CET Driver. This is the second of two steps in the complete CET Driver installation. Gather your materials. You may need a flash drive depending on whether or not you have web access to the information portal on the printer that you are going to install the driver. Each printer may have a different driver depending on the printer type. If you don't know which driver you need, please contact CET Color at 404-505-1890. Download the latest CET driver from the information portal located on the web at www.cetcolor.com. Once your account has been created, sign in with your username and password. Under the CET Color dealer information, click on CET Color Drivers and select which driver you need per your printer type. Download the driver that you will need. If you are not working on the printer's computer, save the driver on a flash drive after downloading it and go to the printer's computer. Create a folder on the C drive and name it CET Driver. Move the CET Driver folder from the flash drive and save it to the folder titled CET Driver. Make a copy of the CET Driver file and save it in the same folder you just created. Double-click the original CET Driver file. Select the English language. When the Install Shield Wizard window pops up, click Next. The Install Shield Wizard will ask you where you want to install the driver. Be sure to select Browse and select the CET folder on the C drive. Once selected, press OK. Then press Next once the destination folder has been selected. The Install Shield Wizard will install the driver. When the Windows Security pop-up window appears on the screen and states Windows can't verify the publisher of this driver software, please click Install this driver software anyway. When the Install Shield Wizard completes installation of the driver, press Finish in order to restart the computer. Go to the C drive and double-click the CET folder. Now we have both controller and driver successfully installed. Double-click the CET RIP file. You will need to select the proper ID from the printer selections and enter that number where you see the HT printer ID equals. Once you enter the correct printer ID into the HT printer ID equals field, please save the CET RIP file and close. Within the CET folder located on the C drive, right-click on the print controller and select Pin to Taskbar. Open the controller. You will be prompted to set up a hot folder. If you already have a hot folder in place, you will need to browse for it and select it. If you do not have a hot folder, create a new folder on the C drive and that will be your hot folder. Once the hot folder has been selected, you will see the CET Print Controller window. Select Options. Select the control panel. Make sure that the dongle key is in the computer. If you don't have a dongle key, a window will pop up that will say Error, CET dongle key not found. If the IM printer window pops up stating Loading printer configuration files has failed, please review your printer selection in the CET RIP file folder. If a pop-up window says No data card plugged in, you may need to access the computer's device manager and verify the drivers are installed for the PCI card. The driver consists of 3 tabs located on the left-hand side. They are the Testing and Calibration tab, the Printing Mode tab, and the Control System Configuration tab. And that's how you properly install the CET driver on a CET Color large format digital UV printer.